Have you ever been frustrated by fluctuations in sunlight, temperature, or humidity during growing? Have you ever experienced failed harvests because your plants were attacked by mildew, disease, pests, or strong winds or heavy rain? VIVOSUN grow tents are designed to help you overcome any growing issues. Grow tents will provide a comfortable zone for your plants even in the extreme weather and keep out pests. Looking for more advanced functions and a smarter growing experience? Use a grow tent in combination with VIVOSUN SGS products. You can easily optimize light, temperature, and airflow and create a perfect growing environment for your plants from germination to fruiting. You can rely on VIVOSUN grow tents for their quality and sturdy design. Our grow tents have a rugged frame, thick steel poles provide excellent support, and thick coatings make these poles rust-proof. With 3 hanging bars on the top that can support up to 100 pounds, it can easily carry your equipment. It contains a liner of 100% reflective, over 17 micrometers thickened mylar, which distributes light more evenly inside the tent and enhances photosynthesis. The outer layer of the tent fabric is 600D ripstop Oxford, making it more light-proof than other tents and maximizing your lighting. It also features SBS zips, thread stitching design, anti-tear design, and slots for cable management. To make it even more convenient, we add a viewing window on the tent so you can easily check your plants without having to open the tent and get inside. But our grow tents go beyond just a place for plants to thrive. They are also ideal drying spaces. If you need a place to dry your herbs and spices without environmental degradation, use our grow tents. Whether you're just starting out and only need a small space, or you're a seasoned gardener, we have tents in a range of sizes. So bring your plants indoors. They'll thank you.